Hi all, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now going to look at both basically general US dollar strength, which we saw as US dollar rebounding at the second half of last week, having undergone some US dollar weakness that we've seen through the early part of this month in early June, but certainly a more negative cable and euro tone versus the US dollar over the second half of the week, and also against many other GHE10 currencies. But we're going to take a look at cable, sterling pound in here, sterling the pound versus the US dollar, and we see here this significant breakdown on Friday, but the market was already rolling lower, rejecting any kind of re-energizing of bullish pressures. We did still look for an underlying bullish theme, but we've been flagging risk of this this bullish theme being negated, which was signalled on Friday by the plunge down through these supports from June and May, but more notably down through this 142.97 level from April, and that completes now a topping structure here, negating the basing structure in the more bullish tone, and leaving the market really now in a wider range environment, which could now well define the market, we feel, going through into the Brexit vote between 140.89 and 147.40, certainly with a negative bias, and if anything, the balance of risk now for a challenge down to 140.89 into the 23rd June Brexit vote within this range environment. So a negative range environment for the pound, and that reflecting a stronger US dollar. Similar tone here for the euro. It was a bearish outside pattern on Thursday and a plunge lower on Friday. This whole bull trend in here previously neutralized by the previous sell-off that we saw through May. June rebound reinforcing that range environment, which we now see really defined by 114.47 and 111.34, and again with a negative tone, risk through 111.34 and 110.96 which would shift to a more negative euro US dollar tone, again reflecting potential US dollar strength. Critical obviously for the US dollar going into this week is going to be the FOMC meeting on Wednesday the 15th of June, so keep an eye on that. But for now, US dollar strength resurgent from the end of last week, pointing to a continuation of that US dollar recovery threat going into this week. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.